going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode of Flight for Hype.
Take them! What the fuck? Woo!
Oh my gosh, guys. We have the Yeezy Foam Runners in the Sand colorway and the MXT Moons. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jordan Stamina back again from Flight for Hype, and today we have both of the foam runners that recently released. We have them both in hand, and check this out because I finally actually got a pair. The only thing about this is I actually paid resale for one of these. But if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're returning to the channel, welcome back to the channel, because I want to say, guys, it's the first time in my life that I've ever seen these in person. Ever since the first time these dropped, I've never seen these. These were really hard to see in Canada because I've never seen anyone wearing them, and obviously they never dropped here, so you know, this was really crazy because we have both of them in hand. Also, shout out to Hotbox for letting me review this pair right here. The MXT Moon is so crazy. You have these hits of gray and you have these strokes of cream. Look at that, guys. This is a really dope sneaker. I'm doing a comparison video right here just because you can see both of them. It's just so dope to see them both in hand. Look at that, guys. You can see that this one has just like a solid cream basically, and then these ones has the strokes of gray and cream. It's really cool to see that in person, and I feel like a lot of people have not warmed up to these sneakers. This is a very out there silhouette. So having said that, guys, you can see here you've got the foam technology on the bottom. I really feel like these sneakers are ahead of its time. Like, okay, let's be honest. These are like alien Crocs. I'm not even gonna call these Crocs. I'm gonna call these aliens. Like, this is like a spaceship. Honestly, they're really bulky. I feel like these are gonna go up in price a lot more. The resale value on these is about $500 plus, because right now the OG foam runners are actually going for almost $1,000. But trust me when I say this, guys, these are gonna go up even more because I'm telling you, these are so limited and so hard to get. I feel like this is one of the hardest Yeezys to ever release, to be honest with you, because these retail for $110 Canadian. You can literally make a $400 to $500 return on these easily. I mean, for me, I paid resale for these. I actually paid $470 for the sand colorway. It is a pretty penny, especially for something like this, but because I've wanted this for such a long time, I feel like I just had to pull the trigger because there was honestly no other way that I was going to get it. If I was going to go on StockX, I would have definitely had to pay a lot more because of duties, and that's something I didn't want to do, so that's why I'm able to have these. Now, in terms of sizing, I went true to size in size 9. Not gonna lie, at first, they did feel a little bit snug, but as I started wearing them throughout the day, they did expand a bit, and honestly, it's a little bit more comfortable now. Let me know in the comments down below, which one do you like more? Do you guys like the Sands or do you guys like the MXT Moons? Me personally, I love the Moons. I love the Sands as well, but because it's just one solid color, I feel like the MXT Moons just hit a little bit differently. But let me know in the comments down below, which one do you guys like better? Also, I see 97% of you guys not subscribed to the channel. Please hit the subscribe button and smash the like button if you made it this far in the video. I know that this is a very quick video. I'm actually on my way to work, and as you can see, the background is, well, I don't have a lot of shoes in the background right now because you guys are going to see a video of me actually selling my collection. Very crazy. I think I sold over 20 pairs of sneakers, and guys, I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be a journey right now. I'm actually moving out, and you guys are going to see that all of this is going to change. Having said that, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys honestly think about these. Are you going to rock them or are you going to sell them? I personally think these are going to climb up to at least $700 in resale in the summertime, if not next year. But this sneaker is only going to go up. I feel like people are going to start warming up to these a little bit more. Also, if you guys want to see on feet, I'm going to show you what happened when I actually bought them straight away. Because trust me, guys, I literally undead stocked these sneakers as soon as I got them. Alright, guys, this is Jordan Stamina. Thank you so much for watching. We're about to take off. So see you on the next flight. Peace. So today, I got my first pair of foam runners, seeing them in person for the first time in my life. Where are your shoes, guys?
Straight to feet.
Amir, what do you think?
Yo, where's my shoe? Alright, I have to go. I have to go.
Huh?
I have to go.
Where you going?
It's mine, right?
Where you going? These out. We got the foam runners.
How do they feel?
Dude, I love these.
Yeah?
I'm wearing these.
Sick, actually. They're space shoes.
I'm wearing these everywhere.
Space shoes. They go hard.
Oh,
They're the
dude.
sickest Crocs in the world, right?
I just paid $500 for Crocs. Can go closer, Dan. Check it out. Check it out. Are you kidding me? I'm wearing these now. I'm wearing these now. See this? These are going back. I am not like playing around. I've been wanting this shoe for a very long time. And now I got foam runners. Oh, let's go.